I am Dr. Ilongovan, MBBS, DA, MSc Yoga. I have worked on Asanas in Women and Children Hospital, Egmore for almost 15 years, and then as a RMO in Gosa Hospital, Triplicane for almost 7 years. We, on behalf of Global School of Yoga, planning to conduct a one-day workshop, Doctor's View on Yoga Therapy. So we are going to deal with human anatomy, pathophysiology of diseases, especially diabetic, hypertension, ischemic heart disease, asthma, etc. and the role of yoga therapy on treating these diseases. So I request everybody kindly come and join and get the benefit.